5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. So on today's lesson, we'll learn about reading from a file, right? So we've learned how to create a file, we've learned how to write from the file, we've learned how to append from the file. So on the previous lesson, we've said hashtag include iostream using namespace std, and then we're creating a file using the fstream. Fstream creates a file. So we created bonganelala.txt in ios in, ios out, then ios append, right? So if you want to learn about this, if you haven't watched my previous video, I recommend you watch it before coming to this video, and you can hit the subscribe button to give me some love. So okay, on this lesson then, so on create a file, Online Education Academy ZA, then now we'll be actually we'll be reading from the file, right? So then we can go on now. So to read from the file, now you need to say created file, right? Because now you need to watch carefully. .seek_g. So you seek whether the file is good, right? Seek_g, and then inside the brackets you put 0. Then you say out reading from the file, because now we want to read from this file. Reading from the file, right? Then right, and then we'll use a while loop, right, to read from the file. So because we can read string line, right? Because we want to read a line, right? So we'll have a string line. We want to read the line that we write in the file, right? So we're going to say while, we use a while loop, right? Because we want to read while certain conditions are met, right? While certain conditions are met. So while loop is very effective here in this example, right? So we'll check, right? So we'll say while, right, created file dot good, while it is good, right? Then we want to output the line. We'll use the getLine method, the getLine function. We want to get the line from the created file. So it's going to take two parameters, which is the create file, comma, and the line. And lastly, we want to output the line, right? Say out line endl. Let's get to be the end of our line. So this is how to basically, read from the file, right? So we have errors, we need a semicolon there, because each and every statement ends with a semicolon. From a getLine function, we need to add a semicolon to correct this, correct this error. Then we build, and after building, we run this program. So you see, Online Education Academy ZA YouTube channel, Online Education Academy. So we can read right now. Now we can read what is written in our file. Right? We don't have to go to the file. So what we have here, and then we can also get it in our text file. So we can read both. We don't have to open the text file first. We can read in our program, right? This is how you read from a file in C++. So this is how you read from a file. So firstly, we created a file, then created from a file, and then we had something written on the file, which is Online Education Academy CD. Thank you. Stop. Pause.